morning, dear fans. I hope you are doing well today. As for me, I'm doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to listen music on your YouTube application while doing other things else into your phone, like WhatsApping, Facebooking, or some other things. Or you can even put your phone on standby. So to simply do it, just click on the power button once, then your phone is on standby. You can still be listening to your YouTube music. So for that, you are going to enter into the Chrome browser. You can use any browser, it's the same procedure. So into the Chrome browser, I'm going to open a new tab. So into this new tab, I'm going to click on Facebook, on the Facebook app in question. So yeah, what I'm to do is, at the right hand side of my screen, I'm going to click on these three small buttons, then I'll select desktop site. If you don't do it, you are not going to have it as simple as that. It's very simple, but if you don't know, you don't know. So let us wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, there are many options, many movies. So I'm to choose the music, the gospel music I like the most. This music by Mr. Gook. So I've selected it. Yeah, the video is playing. Let me add this volume a little bit. I'll put you in front. As you can see, the video is playing. I will just go off of it. Now the video has stopped. What to do is to scroll down your screen as I'm doing, then you click on play. You are all that matters. As you can see, I'll make room for two. It's still playing. It's still playing. I can enter my Facebook. As you can see, I can be doing my things. I can scroll down to do my things, or even enter your WhatsApp or anything else, or you can even put your screen on standby as I told you earlier. So I'm going to stop. Yeah, that will be all for this small tutorial. It seems very easy, but in computer science, when you know, you don't, you know. When you don't know is you don't know. It is either 1 or 0. So if this video pleased you, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and to click on the notification bell to have more video as such. Thank you. Bye bye.